Good morning, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. Thought I'd do a quick walk around and cold start for our 1939 Ford Deluxe Coupe. Gorgeous V8 car that is on bat this week. I'll also take it outside this morning, and so we have a little break in the weather. I'll take some natural light pictures for you guys and post them to the sale as well. Just a gorgeous car from a collection. This gentleman that owns this car is a car guy through and through and curated all of his cars for their beauty, and this car is no exception. Just as pretty as can be. Paint is in excellent shape. The chrome is all perfect. These lights, look how gorgeous these lights are. Everything is right with this car. Let's see if I can remember how to open this hood. I can pull here. And then there's something here. Look at that. Just as clean as can be. We've checked this car through our shop. It needs nothing to be enjoyed, driven. She's ready to go. We've got about a mid-40s in the shop, I would say, so a cold start would be very appropriate. There's a couple steps to starting this car. Make sure I get them right here. The key turns towards you. So the first thing I do is turn it towards me all the way. Then I turn on the power. You can hear the fuel pump. Then I give it a little gasoline here and push the button. And she starts right up. Oh my gosh, it's so neat. This is so nice. The wood is just perfect in this car. Look at these gauges. This car does not smoke at all, does not drip oil at all. It can be driven on hot days. It can be used as it should be, and I'm sure this car cannot wait for its new life. All right, guys, I'm gonna take it outside right now. And I'll see you in a few minutes. Thanks again.